And we're back working on the Meano Camino. We're going to hook up the exhaust, our throttle linkage, fuel, and a battery to see if this thing fire up.
Let's get started.
Alright, so this is what we have for our straight pipes and our mufflers. This one goes on the driver's side, this one goes on the passenger side. Hopefully there's enough clearance underneath the Meano Camino for these, and we're going to find out. These do run pretty nice and quiet. There's some part number right there if you're looking for part number. Let's get to it. Just crawling under here, and I noticed that we still have our old exhaust hanging from. At least now there isn't any of the exhaust that's hitting the floor or ground. In place, some blocks. Okay, that should hold there. Here we go. See if we can get it a little more in the center. I think that might. There we go. It's a little bit more in the center. I'm thinking that's going to help us a little bit. Oh, yep. Goes up to the top, and then that'll smash into the bottom. Try number 2. Try number 1. All right, I think I got it in the manifold. I just need to get my plate up high enough and to get a thread or 2 on it. Now, if these go in here nice and easy, I'm thinking about just leaving these in here. This last one's kind of a weird spot, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Can you see that up there? Got those in there. Good enough space here. Good enough space there. Now let's just try to get them tightened down with as close as we can here. Maybe I'll put some plastic between there and zip tie it. That probably would. That's not a bad idea. But we got what? How thick are 2x4s? 1.25 inches. That'd be 5 inches there then. 5-6 inches. A little close for comfort. One is just a pain. I think that's good. Let's see if we can get these boards out. See how as she comes, she drops down a little bit. Oh, that's funny. That's all right. We're just doing this just to test her out. We need to cut a notch in here. We'll mark it and cut a notch. Weld something on top of it. Yep. Let's grab our blocks here and our tools and go the other side. Alright. Hopefully our jack stand isn't in the way. Yeah, we should be good. You can see them right there. Yeah, here we go. Get it somewhat lined up. Alright, we got that straight pipe over there. And this one. Oh yeah, you can see the 3 holes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, tell me how to come with me, cause you look so fine that I really want to make you mine. Okay, looks like we're pretty close. Do need to take these off. There we go. Put those somewhere we can reach them. And see if we can get her lined up. Just need to get these lined up. Maybe I can do a lot of it by hand. Maybe? No, There's no way I'm going to be able to do a lot of it by hand because these are a little bit tight, so they're kind of designed to have a little more resistance so they don't come off. Uno, dos. There we go. See if we can get a ratchet on them. So there we go. Got them tightened up enough. Toes off the ground. This one's actually pretty good here, so I think all we got to do is hook the battery up. I think the fuel is hooked up already. Whoa! What are you doing here? You're supposed to be right there. Well, I know I said we need to hook our fuel up, but Jake already took care of that. And then I added these zip ties just to try to keep it away from this. As far as our linkage, I took this off of our old intake manifold. I made it a long time ago to work on the Meano Camino, but we just have that bolt right there, and then the intake manifold bolt that we've got to take off to mount this on there. Intake manifold bolt off of here. Okay. Just see what she feels like. Should work. There we go. And this one's got anti-seize on it. All over my fingers. There she goes. Okay, that's good. That one's definitely smaller. There we go. Dang, it's still not quite close enough. I don't like that. I have to go back to the drawing board. This is what we got here. We're going to take our clip out in our washer and set that off to the side, and then let's check and see if it fits. Fits pretty good. Our nut and lock washer to tighten everything up on the back side. Washer, nut. Here we go, let's get that tightened up. Alright, that's nice and tight. It's gonna reach. She reaches. Sweet. Washer. Our little pin. Grab that pin. Bend one up. Bend one down. Back. Oh yeah. Hey, now all we gotta do is hook the battery up, but I do want to get this thing off the jacks so I can wheel it out in case we have any problems. Yeah, now that she's down on the way, we don't have a whole lot of space there, so I'll probably use a zip tie to give us a couple more inches, but we're not driving this thing around the street, we're just trying to get her running. I feel like it's only hitting on like... There we go. She's alive, baby! If you enjoyed watching this project and want to see more videos of the Meano Camino, you can check out that playlist in the upper left. You can check out last video in the lower left and future videos in the lower right. Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of The Roy Garage. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications. See you next time.